Have some dog food bins.
We'll keep an eye out. The water looks crystal clear.
Going out for over that bridge, Eliot, okay? I'm getting to see the splashbacks.
Yeah.
I don't like hills. Skibbity.
It's a rare sight.
Come on now.
Oh, look at you carrying your bag of poo.
I know. Disgusting.
Disgusting.
I think we'd have a dog food bin.
This is like Vesuvius before even front page. This is
Yeah.
so like it's in nature. So it's like I found running water. It feels nice.
Cool.
But freezing. Freezing but nice. Oh, they really are waterproof. I accidentally stepped right in a puddle and it's like not there at all.
Excellent, that's what we like. Oh wait, does that sign mean it's over there?
Over there.
What?
There. That's where it's going. It's a little old stone cottage there.
So just a few bits of practical information regarding this particular walk. Parking is not the easiest because it's busy and it's not exactly the kind of place where you'll find a multi-storey. The car parks are quite small. I'd recommend getting to Ambleside or the local area early if you're driving. We parked at the nearby White Moss Middle car park. That cost £5.50 for 2 hours using the Ringo app, which was ample time for us to walk there and back and to stop and look around the cave. The terrain on the walk was easy. There was a fair bit of uphill walking with some stony paths, as you'll see in the video, but it was perfectly doable. There was not a rubbish bin to be seen on this walk, so my biggest piece of advice to you there is definitely to take rubbish bags or poo bags if you're taking your dog with you. John literally carried that bag of dog poo with him the whole way there and back on this walk.
Should we do the stepping stones? She can do this.
I don't know, I just don't need to worry.
There you go, we did it. Well done, Lily. Well done.
It's so dark, I love it. shower.
Hello. Hello, Biddy.